Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook quiet mode. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. When the app is opened you have to tap on the three bars on top right corner. Then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and here you will see the option your time on Facebook. Now tap on that. Now you have to swipe left and then tap on schedule quiet mode. Here, firstly, you have to enable quiet mode. And now you have to set a duration. You can set a duration of a day. I'll just set a duration of 5 hours and then tap on apply. You can also schedule quiet mode if you don't want to enable it daily. All you have to do is enable schedule quiet mode and then tap on the schedule. You can set up a start time and then an end time. You can also select the days of the week and then go back. Now I'll just quickly disable the schedule mode and show you how does the quiet mode works. You have to close the app and then open it again. And you will see a window like this. And this window is basically restricting you to enter Facebook. And that is how you can use the quiet mode on Facebook. So if this video helped you out then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.